Hi, I'm Kiran, an instructor with Hock India, and today I'll give you some insights about the world's most coveted accounting credential, CPA. Let's begin.
Who is a CPA? CPA stands for the acronym Certified Public Accountant. And how to become a CPA? We need to first pass the Uniform CPA examination, which is offered by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, USA, which was formed in the year 1887. And ever since, there are over 430,000 CPAs across more than 130 countries on the globe. In terms of where a CPA is involved in, CPAs either practice in the US as a CPA or they work in the industry involved in various roles, starting with a treasurer or a controller, all the way up to the level of a director finance or even a CFO. Now, in terms of how many papers or sections a student has to clear to become a CPA, there are four sections, namely auditing, business environment, accounting, and regulation. Each of this paper has 4 hours of computer-based examination. The exam structure, each of this paper has multiple choice ranging in between 62 to 76 multiple choice questions. All the 4 papers have task-based simulations which are related to real-life scenarios similar to case studies. Business environment paper, there is also a section for 3 written communication essays. Of the score weightage, all the 4 papers, as you can see, it is half divided into the multiple choice and the remaining half are either the task-based solutions or it can be, in case of business environment, written communication essays. Of the level of understanding, the examination evaluation looks at how as a student we are able to make inferences or draw conclusions apart from the knowledge of the concepts and techniques. We need to pass all the 4 sections within 18 months. We have to score 75 or more on a scaled score. That's how you can become a CPA. In terms of the syllabi, for auditing, you can see that there's a weightage between ethics, risk assessment, audit procedures, and reporting. Business environment paper, it is split between corporate governance, financial management, and operations and economics. For financial accounting, the most important aspect is the US GAAP or IFRS, the transactions of financial statements, and in dealing with local governments. For regulation, which is law related, there is federal taxation of property, individuals, as well as entities. This is a sample question paper for auditing. You can check on CPA website. The testing centers, till date, there was no exam center available in India, but due to the corona pandemic, the institute has made an announcement today on April 2nd, 2020 that in India, across several locations including Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi, and Trivandrum, you have at the Prometric centers uniform CPA exam being offered. Apart from India, there are obviously within the United States and other locations internationally, namely Brazil, England, Germany, Japan, and also at Dubai, that students can look forward to taking up the exam. The eligibility to appear within India, apart from those who are citizens or long-term residents of the country, people from Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and also the United States citizens or long-term residents can opt to take up the exam within any of the Indian-based locations. The testing windows are namely 4 windows that you have an opportunity to take up the exam within Jan 1st to 10th of March, 1st of April to 10th of June. This year, this has been extended to 30th of June, July 1st to 10th of September, 1st of October till December 10th. I would urge all the students who are within India to aim for the September 2020 window. Appearing for the uniform CPA exam, the eligibility would be 120 credit hours of education and NASPA evaluation of your educational credentials. NASPA stands for National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, which works very closely with all the state accountancy boards of CPA, and you need to get your credential evaluated. So to enumerate the steps for taking up the exam, the process would be: first you can scan and email us your educational credentials. We will confirm to you for the next steps. In the meantime, you can enroll for virtual live classes or even opt for self-study by taking up our review material and videos of Brian Hock. Prepare and parallelly verify through NASPA after our confirmation, and once NASPA confirms, you will receive a notice to schedule through which you will be able to enroll for Prometric exam location.
The next question that comes to your mind is, why us? We at Hock are pioneers, unparalleled in the world of accounting for nearly 2 decades of creating careers in this field, and we take pride in the content that we create through unlimited access that it provides to you in the form of review material, videos, mock test, over 100 hours of virtual live classes, administrative support, and much more. Finally, I would like to conclude that every CPA is an accountant, but not every accountant is a CPA. Enroll today by visiting our website www.hawkindia.com/CPA. All the best.